Centralized crypto exchanges have been working as the backbone to buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies. Not only do they offer quick transaction confirmation, but also constantly improving liquidity. But no, an innovative parallel world is emerging which consists of DEX, decentralized exchange, where in order to process and complete transaction, no intermediary entity is needed. However, creating a decentralized exchange that offers all the features and functionalities that traditional centralized exchange offer is very challenging. That's because of the inherent limitations and constraints of currently exist in blockchain technology. It's important to note that there are also some additional benefits of using decentralized exchange over centralized ones. It has the potential to improve user experience and transaction performance in terms of both speed and cost. One of the most popular examples of decentralized exchange is Uniswap. Uniswap is a popular open source decentralized exchange that developed on Ethereum protocol. In other words, it's a fully automated liquidity platform that does not require any intermediary party of settle transaction. In order to facilitate trade, the decentralized involve liquidity pools created by liquidity providers. Not only does it provide the users with the decentralized pricing system, but also ensures seamless order book depth. Therefore, users on the Uniswap exchange can easily swap their ERC token. ERC20 are tokens that run on the Ethereum network without needing any centralized governing entity. Because of the availability of liquidity pools, it's possible to launch any ERC20 token anytime. Moreover, the platform decentralized nature ensures there's no listening process, which means users don't need to pay any listening fees as well. Uniswap history and developers. The Uniswap platform was developed back in November 2018 by Hidden Adams. However, the technology that the platform used was first described in 2016 by Vitalik Buterin. Adam started working on the idea of getting from the company he was working in as a full-time employee. He developed the very first draft of Uniswap website along with the smart contract functionality and proof of concept algorithm. Moreover, because of the determination and the viability of the project, he received several grants, including $100,000 US from Ethereum. At the first, the functionality of the project was very straightforward. It could only manage simple swap with the contract having a single liquidity provider. After the official launch of the project, Uniswap gained liquidity very quickly and began facilitating large volume. Over that the project also started hiring employees, and later in May 2020, the team launched Uniswap U2, the second version of the protocol. Later, the Uniswap team could manage to raise 11 million US dollars in August 2020. It was announced that all the funds would be used to develop the new version of the protocol. One of the remarkable additions to the Uniswap decentralized exchange was the creation of the UNI token. Moreover, the team announced that everyone who has ever used Uniswap could claim 400 UNI tokens as a reward. The most surprising thing at the at time 400 UNI tokens were worth about 800 US dollars. On centralized exchange, the spread are very high of illiquid assets. Uniswap addressed the problem by allowing its users to deposit assets by becoming market maker into a liquidity pool. Resultantly, based on trading activity amount user can earn profit. It's known as the consent product market maker model. In order to determine the token price add on Uniswap. Affordable swapping. The swapping on Uniswap is very affordable as the user only needs to pay 0.3% each time, which is a lot cheaper as compared to other protocols. Centralized exchanges can face cyber attacks and they can also lose money, which puts your funds at risk. But that's not the case with Uniswap because no entity holds your funds. In order to the Uniswap, you don't need to provide the platform with your personal data. It means the identity theft on this DX is not possible. Uniswap allows to you access the new token as soon as they come out. That's because the platform can list all the news token automatically, which also cases high volatility, providing you with more opportunities to earn massive profits. The market capitalization of any organization or asset plays a vital role in its stability. According to CoinMarketCap, the market capitalization of Uniswap is more than 10 billion US dollars, which draws the attention of more investors. Uniswap is listed on all the major crypto exchanges that not only increase the reliability on the platform but also improve the community. There are several centralized exchanges that operate as intermediary entities for users to buy, sell, and trade crypto. It's a traditional method for trading that does not provide users with full control over their assets. It means that the centralized exchange hold the funds or assets for users on their behalf by working as a bridge. On the other hand, there's no middleman required in Uniswap. All the user can control and manage their funds and assets as they want. That's the biggest difference between centralized and decentralized exchange. Uniswap offers better security as well as the anonymity because users don't need to provide the platform with their personal information. Moreover, Uniswap is an open source platform and according to its governance model, it's driven by smart contracts. Uni is a basically native token, a cryptocurrency used on the Uniswap network. Anyone holding a Uni token automatically qualifies for the platform governance rights. It's a simple works. Uni coin holders can participate in the voting, make their voice heard for all the upcoming changes of the network. The first step to use decentralized exchange such as Uniswap is to connect your crypto wallets to the platform. For that, you will need to go to the official Uniswap browser app and click on the connect to wallet button located in the top right corner. Keep in mind that sometimes your transaction performed on Uniswap can also fail to complete. It unusually happens when your input currency prints decrease to the level that can't satisfy the underlying criteria you set. Moreover, there's nothing to worry about because when a transaction fails to complete successfully, your Ethereum tokens are automatically revert. However, the gas fees that you have paid already is not refunded. If you want to buy Uni, then it's important to make sure whether the cryptocurrency is worth buying or not. In September 2020, Genesis Uniswap provides all its community members with 400 Uni tokens. At the time, the value of 400 tokens was about 800 US dollars, but the same number of Uniswap tokens are now worth more than 7,000 US dollars. These facts pretty much explain whether you should buy Uni tokens or not. You can also buy Uni tokens from the Binance browser app. Uniswap is a great decentralized crypto exchange that empower its users because of its innovation and usability. Its community is getting stronger day by day, and its token Uni is also improving. You can use the platform to swap the desired token by connecting your Ethereum based crypto wallet. The platform, especially its community, is still in its early stages. The countless people have taken advantage of its sudden price surge. Moreover, it also has the potential to increase its value in the future. And we hope this guide will help you to determine whether you should invest in Uni tokens or not.